I have this other chain for sections like this, which is the bridge and the build up, and I'm distorting it with the overdrive. I'm reverberating it heavily with the RC24, which is a small hole reverb, and then filtering it. So with this off, it's dense, it's bassy, while with this chain on, it becomes like a pad. And I like doing this often because I can use the same sound for multiple purposes and keep like an almost a pretty coherent tone across all the arrangement. So you just get the sense that it's the same sound, but it's doing something else. So that's it. The high pass is nothing crazy. It's 73 Hz. It's just taking the sub off. A bit is being taken off by the overdrive too, and like not much the reverb, but I mean, it's all a result, the airiness of this pad is all a result of this free processing in series.